Some breaking news for you at this point of time. This is, of course, around the Unnao rape survivor. She has now slammed the bail order to Sengar. The Unnao rape survivor says, and I'm quoting here as to what she said, "I'm hurt that such a judgment has been passed. This is the first order in the country where a rape accused has been granted bail and the sentence has been stayed." What was the CBI doing before? The CBI's IO has met with Kuldeep Sengar, the accused. "I have not yet filed any petition in the Supreme Court from my side." Well, those are the words of the Unnao rape survivor, who has clearly shown her displeasure, her anger over the Unnao rape accused, who has now been granted bail.
जैसे हाई कोर्ट में जजमेंट हुआ है, मुझे आहत और मुझे दुख हुआ है कि ऐसा जजमेंट हुआ है और देश में पहला ऑर्डर हुआ है जो रेप के आरोपी को जमानत दी गई सजा रोकते हुए।
मैम, सीबीआई ने भी कहा है कि हम इस वक्त चुनाव।
सीबीआई पहले क्या कर रही थी? सीबीआई का आईओ मिल चुका है कुलदीप सेंगर से। अभी मैंने अपनी तरफ से कोई सुप्रीम कोर्ट में याचिका दायर नहीं की है। अभी मेरे महमूद प्राचा सर जी याचिका दायर करेंगे, उस पर बहस करेंगे। मुझे उम्मीद है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट से मुझे न्याय मिलेगा।
For more on this, my colleague Tejshri is now joining me live. Tejshri, as things stand right now, the Unnao rape survivor has, of course, shown her anger after bail was granted, after Delhi High Court granted bail to Kuldeep Sengar. She has not filed any petition in Supreme Court. That's what she said. That's what we heard right now. But moving forward, what are some kind of actions that she can take, and how do you see the situation panning out right now?
Well, you see, absolutely, we have been seeing that since the order has been passed by the Delhi court, the Unnao rape victim has been protesting along with the activist Yogita Bayana, say it be, at Mandi House, or say it be at the India Gate or anywhere in the national capital. But then they were also manhandled. We saw that how those devastating pictures where the victim herself was manhandled by the cops. Apart from that, talking about the recent development that has taken place where the CBI is in process to approach the Supreme Court for the verdict that was given by the Delhi court. And apart from that, a plea has already been filed by advocate Anjali in the Supreme Court as well, as far as this entire matter is concerned. But again, the Unnao rape victim goes on to ask that where was CBI all these days? Why, in fact, the action is being taken so late is what she meant to say. Not just that, but she has also, in fact, stated that the IO, the investigating officer of the CBI, has even met Kuldeep Sengar, the accused in this entire case, who still remains to be in jail for the 10 years of imprisonment in custodial death of Unnao rape victim's father. So now we'll have to see, that number one, that when the Supreme Court will be taking up the case, that's the plea, in fact, that's been filed by advocate Anjali. Number two, when will the CBI be approaching the Supreme Court? Because what we are learning from our sources is that they are already in the process. And when will the Unnao rape victim, who is on the roads, even in the midnight, holding candles in her hand, along with activist Yogita Bayana, and have been demanding nothing but only justice, remains to be seen that how long it takes for a rape victim to get justice and put the accused behind the bars in this particular case.
Right, and of course the big question that she's asked the Unnao rape survivor, why has the bail sentence be delayed? But thanks, Tejshri, for getting us latest right now.